How's it going, everyone? Eryan with Siegfried's Motorwerx here today. We are bringing you another episode of What's Up at Motorwerx. Beginning of March here, season's right around the corner, but we're already picking up for the season, so pretty happy about that. Pretty excited for what this season's going to bring us. So we're going to show you the units we have in stock. This time of year, if you're looking for a bike, looking for a scooter, our inventory is constantly going to change. This is the time of year a lot of people are buying bikes. This is the time of year we're buying bikes, we're buying scooters, so we're bringing as much inventory as we can in and trying to keep it in stock as far as keeping our numbers up for how many we have here. So anyways, I'm just going to show you what we have in stock right now. Harley-Davidson Electric Glide Ultra Glide Classic. It is a little bit higher mile bike, super clean, has all the bells and whistles on it, true dual exhaust, bunch of cool stuff. There's a walk around video, there's a ride video on that, links in my description on that one. Honda Rebel 250, a couple cool things that just changed around for this bike specifically. This one is here on consignment. It's actually a couple, they bought two bikes from us towards the end of last season. They asked us to sell their Rebel 250 for them. This one is getting a 6-month warranty added to it, unlimited miles. It's like a $25 deductible, includes towing, includes all kinds of stuff. They're including that. That warranty is sold through Siegfried's Motorwerx, but that bike doesn't have a warranty. They're also replacing this ripped seat and lowering the price. It just dropped $1,800. That includes a seat, that includes a 6-month unlimited mile warranty, guaranteeing 6 months of worry-free ownership for you. Honda Shadow 1100, you've seen it, it's been here. Hopefully it gets out of here soon. 20-something or other Harley-Davidson M8 Breakout. That's Kyle's, he's behind the camera. He's not going to sell you the bike unless you make him a good offer. Harley-Davidson Softail, super clean bike, really clean bike. Blows my mind this thing's still here. Hopefully when the weather starts to turn around, all you Harley guys that are looking for a nice clean Softail, hop on that one. Newest unit we just got in stock. Really excited about this one. 2016 Genuine Scooter Company Rough House. I'm going to put a link actually in the card here to the walk around video I just did on this one here a couple minutes ago. These Rough Houses are really fun. Same motor that's in the Yamaha Zuma, the 2-stroke Zumas. So that's a motor we're really familiar with. Really impressed with these Genuines. Excited to offer this one. Has good miles on it, just over 4,000, but that is a 50cc 2-stroke. No license needed. You want to be on 2 wheels, that's the one for you. 2018 Kimco. This one's been here. I did just switch out the front tire. Wasn't real happy with it. Put a brand new front tire on it. It's got a practically brand new rear tire. Great miles, 150cc, super snippy scooter. You're looking for one and you like yellow, that's for you. My mom and dad have their Elite 80s here just to show off. So if you want to come talk to people that are super into old school scooters, my parents are glad to talk to you. BMW R1200R, the king of the adventure bike. Hands down, you want to put miles on a bike, this is the one for you. It has like 79,000 on it. Has a ton of parts on it. Maybe $3,000–$4,000 worth of suspension until you get it installed. All the BMW goodies. So all that there. We're stocked up on helmets. This is the time of year to buy helmets. So if you're looking for any of that stuff there, we have that. Also, we keep adding to our glove selection. So Scorpion EXO was nice enough to send us this glove rack. Back in our service department, we have this Yamaha C3. As you can see here, you can come in and take a little look at it. This one had a little whoopsie daisy done to it. Guy laid it over. We're trying to get it back together here. One of the tricky things that Yamaha has on their fuel injection systems is it doesn't use like an OBD2 port like a car. They actually have this Yamaha diagnostic tool that they include with it. Big thank you to Jordan Waybright over at Off-Road Motorsports in Lebanon. That's our local Yamaha dealer. He was nice enough to lend me the specific fuel injection diagnostic tool for that. Thank you, Jordan. Thank you all the guys at Off-Road Motorsports. Big thank you to Sheldon for always helping us out when we need parts for these scooters. Kawasaki KX 250F 4-stroke dirt bike in here for a couple different little things. Nothing too major. A lever for one thing. As you can see here, we have our lead llama herder, Andrew Santucci. He's here. Guana Farmer llama herder. We got him on here right now working on this 2005 Bergman 400. Cool thing with this scooter. Come in and take a look at that so you can see this. This is a scooter club that's close to us here. They're out of Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. We're about 35-40 minutes away from Harrisburg. These guys are absolute scooter fiends. They probably put most of these Harley clubs to shame, but the amount of riding and get-togethers that they do. This is one of their members' scooters. This guy rides a scooter every day. Snow, rain, sleet, whatever. He rides it, but it's in here for a bunch of issues. That's one of the things that we have going on when we get scooters like this in. Typically, these guys will stockpile little issues together and then get them all done in one shot. So we have a whole bunch of stuff that's going on with this thing. So we'll have to see what happens there. We also have this Honda Elite. We actually got nowhere with that since the last time you saw it. Probably it's gonna maybe get off the lift in the next couple of days. Probably not, but who knows. At any rate, thank you so much for watching. If you can, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, stay up to date with everything going on here at Siegfried Motorwerx. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm just running out. Huh?